Folks, I've been getting a lot of emails, a lot of requests asking me for stocks to buy. You see, here's the thing. A few months back, before this coronavirus took the market down, I told anyone who would listen to me that the market was going to cool off. There were several signals. Several. And a lot of people are now sitting there with a bunch of cash saying, Roger, I want to go in. What do I buy? Well, I would be on the sidelines for the most part right now, but there's two stocks that I'm really liking right now. Let me explain to you why. First one is called EVRI Holdings, ticker symbol EVRI. That's EVRI. Now, this stock is born out of the merger of two casino industry heavyweights, Global Cash Access and Multimedia Games. EVRI Holdings serves the gaming industry by providing financial technology solution games and intelligence solutions. That's very, very huge right now. Now, Maguire's Chad Benyon argues free cash flow increased by a whopping 126%. In addition to putting an outperform rating on EVRI, he set the price target at $15. The stock is at $4 right now. Giving this target, shares could climb over 400% higher in the next 12 months. Current consensus, based on 5 other analysts, is a strong buy, which will only increase institutional accumulation of shares after the country begins the recovery process from this coronavirus pandemic. Currently, the stock is currently priced, has a P/E ratio of 10.90, which is below the industry average of 13.3, making it an attractive bargain for the current price of only $4.30 as of right now. That's right. Technically, the stock is outperforming other smaller stocks and the Russell 2000 index, telling me it's poised for a comeback once the economy begins the recovery. Keep in mind, hospitality stocks tend to move ahead of the market, so be prepared for accelerated price moves to happen rapidly once the stock is on the move. Let's talk about the other one. It's called Plug Power, ticker symbol PLUG. Now, this stock is really cool. Manufactures hydrogen fuel cell systems that replace conventional batteries in equipment and vehicles powered by electricity. This is in stark contrast to the rest of the market. This stock, get this, it's in the green year to date, but is off the high substantially due to the overall market sell-off. Oppenheimer, Colin Rusch, believes that the company still has plenty of fuel left in the tank. That's good. He notes that Plug has made significant strides in effort to achieve its 5-year target model. Its shift to generation stack technology along with scale benefits should lead to significant margin expansion. With the company also pushing hydrogen fuel costs even lower, margins are in good shape. The stock currently has 6 strong buy recommendations by major analyst firms, and we're seeing major insider activity during the last quarter, giving the stock an extra boost in value. Now, technically, the stock remains above its 200-day moving average, which is huge because most of the market is not above its 200-day moving average, which tells us it's outperforming the majority of stocks at this time. Now, I'm expecting price to increase substantially over the next few quarters as hedge funds begin turning their pocketbooks away from traditional conventional batteries and into these more advanced hydrogen fuel cell systems that companies like Plug provide. The stock is a leader in hydrogen systems and should continue to see strong accumulation over the next several quarters. The stock is a brand new industry. This artificial power, electric power, battery power, remember, energy right now, fuel, not doing so well. So alternative energy is the key right now for emission system control, for regulatory control, for green, the world becoming greener. It's good for everything. So this stock has a lot of upside. Hope that helps. Folks, just because the market is an unpredictable mess at the moment doesn't mean your financial situation has to be. All right, let's start again. Folks, just because the market is an unpredictable mess at the moment doesn't mean that your financial situation also has to be. That's why I've talked to one high-level trader, Chev Zananeri. He's sharing his greatest money-making sorry, I'll get it right.
It's all good.
Folks, just because the market is an unpredictable mess at the moment doesn't mean that your financial situation also has to be. And that's why I've talked to one high-level trader, Chev Zananeri. into sharing his greatest money-making strategy. Now, check this out. The style of trading he's using is so incredibly consistent, and that's really important right now. And it can make, oh, man, I wanted to do something, but I didn't get away with it.
Okay.
We'll get it right. Sorry, no.
No worries.
Folks, just because the market is an unpredictable mess at the moment, it doesn't mean that your financial situation has to be as well. And that's why I've talked to one high-level trader, Jeff Seminary, into sharing his greatest money-making strategy. The style of trading he's using is incredibly consistent, which is huge right now, and can work no matter what market you're in. And he's proven that, including 10 straight years of generating a profit every quarter. Did you hear what I just said? A profit every quarter for 10 years. How is it possible? Well, you see, Jeff puts on what he calls money-linked trades, and in doing so eliminates most of what is called market risk. Although it might sound complicated, this strategy is easy to follow. Click on the link below or button that follows this video to get all the details now. Don't miss out.